Worldwide, more than 100,000 ships annually transport products as diverse as coffee, grain, basic chemicals, cars, or medicines. Shipping is one of the most environmentally friendly ways to transport goods from all over the world. But there is still work to be done. To reduce climate impact, air and water pollution, Port of Antwerp is working towards cleaner maritime and inland shipping. Ships from all over the world fill up with fuel in our port. We are taking a pioneering role by introducing low-carbon and clean fuels, such as hydrogen and methanol. And we're also experimenting with our own fleet. The first methanol-powered tugboat will sail in Antwerp in 2022, and one powered by hydrogen will follow in 2023. A world first. In order to reduce air and noise pollution in the port, we are providing shore power for ships that moor here. This allows them to connect to the electricity network and switch off their ship's engines or generators. Our port also offers services for cleaning ships in an environmentally friendly way. In this way, we improve water quality, ships encounter less resistance and therefore use less fuel. But we don't do this alone. We operate internationally and connect with ports and maritime players from all over the world. For example, we work towards globally equal environmental regulations for ships. In this way, Port of Antwerp, together with local and international partners, takes the lead in the transition to sustainable shipping.